Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to set up your username on Telegram by iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Telegram application and open the application first. And after that, please take a look on these button features. There is a contact, chats, and settings. Please go into the settings button. And if you can see here, there is the option right away, change profile photo or set username. You can directly click here, or you want to choose this edit too. It also able to generate you into the edit section. In the edit sections, there is also several options that you can edit, either your pictures, your name, your bio, number, and username. Please click username right away. And now please read the information that Telegram gave here. After you finish it, you can take a look on this statement that you can use A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscores with minimum length is 5 characters. So you can start to create your username here. For me, let's say Ahmad. Okay, so if you take a look on the username that I made before, there is red information. Red information means that the username is already taken, so you have to make another username. Make sure the information below here is changed into a green color so that you can have your username. So for me, I got the green color when I do this username, and after that, just click done if you already match with the username. And now you already have the username for your Telegram. You can spread it out, this username rather than your phone number, to add or to be added with your friend. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel.